Several common situations of laser cutting nozzle wear. Reason 1. The focus position is too low or too high. It exceeded the nozzle's tolerance. Laser energy covers the nozzle. Solution: replace with a larger nozzle or reduce the focal length. Reason 2. Contamination of the lower protective lens. Replace protective lenses promptly and investigate the cause of contamination based on the lens problem. Reason 3. Coaxial misalignment. Laser energy off-center hits nozzle edge. Solution: adjust the coaxial alignment to bring the laser back to the center point. Reason 4. The nozzle is deformed due to bumps or scratches. Solution: add micro-connectors during cutting and optimize the cutting path to avoid. Reason 5. Excessive perforation energy or insufficient perforation height. Slag adheres to the nozzle edge, causing nozzle blockage. Solution: reduce the duty cycle of the perforation process by 5%. Increase the perforation height by 2 millimeters.